Hello guys, it's Test Tech Talk, and on this video guys I want to show you guys how to add your WhatsApp contact on your Facebook application. This is pretty obvious, but I don't know why most people like to go straight forward to the question. But then if you watch my previous video and you understand how to do this, please just skip the video and wait for my next video to be uploaded. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to add your WhatsApp contact to your Facebook application. A WhatsApp contact is still a social application, so you guys should just check out the video below to know how to do this for all other accounts. So right now let's just go ahead and open our Facebook application to do this, and then let's go over to our profile icon, click on it, and then scroll down a little bit to where it says edit your public details, and then click on edit your public details. And then once it loads for us, we are going to scroll to our contact area. I mean edit your um edit your about info, click on edit about info, and once you've done that, scroll to your contact info and then click on edit. So wait for it to load. And once it loaded up, just scroll down to where it says your social link and then click on add social link. And once you've clicked on the add social link, it should bring you detail. On default, Instagram is the first one that it displays. So go ahead and click on the Instagram option and then change it to WhatsApp. You can notice WhatsApp right here. So go ahead and click on WhatsApp. And then now put your WhatsApp number. This time you are going to put your international WhatsApp number. I mean, you are going to add it including your country code, because for some reason this particular link works when you put your country code, because if anybody is trying to reach you from international a country that is not of particularly your country, from for instance if I'm a Nigerian and someone is trying to check my WhatsApp from US or from India, it might not be able to reach me if I didn't put my country code. So I need to add my country code so they will be able to just quickly click on the link and then chat me up. So make sure you add the plus button and then put your country code first, and then followed by your country WhatsApp number. So I'm going to add mine right now. So there you go. Once you've done adding it, just scroll down and then hit save. So after that, let's test it out, see if it works fine. Go ahead and go to your profile area, click on it, scroll down, and you can see the WhatsApp icon and the WhatsApp phone number. So go ahead and click on the phone number or the icon. Wait for it to load. It should open an option for you to select, to choose which API you want. So just go ahead and say send message. So I already have it downloaded, so I don't know why it's showing the option to download. You should just open the WhatsApp option, but don't worry, I don't have it installed. So if you have it installed, automatically it's just going to show you the WhatsApp detail and then all the stuff, that stuff. But I don't want to install the WhatsApp right on this mobile phone. I already have it installed on my other phone. So normally it just shows once you click on the message, it opens. Once you click on the icon, it opens the WhatsApp API. Then once you click on the message, it's just going to open it on your WhatsApp message automatically. So when you try this out and it doesn't work out for you, let me know. But I've tried it out several times and it works out for me. It works out on my mobile phone, it works out on my WhatsApp phone. So all right guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, just leave it on the comment below. Right there, feel free to leave your comment below on the comment section. Ask your question, whatever it is, I'm going to fix it. So for some reason, if you have any question or any request for any video, just leave it on the comment below also. And if not, please, before you make any request for any video, please check the channel properly if I have the video, because I have so many video concerning Facebook and Messenger, so you guys could just go over and watch any video of your preference. All right, see you guys some other time, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and you can share the video with your friend if it helped you, just to keep passing the knowledge to other people too. And also please do like the video so that I will know if I've actually tried. If I actually give this video a best like 50 likes, I would appreciate it, and I will know if I'm actually growing or if I'm just wasting my time. All right, thank you guys, see you guys some other time. Oh.